how to transfer WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android. So let's see. First open WhatsApp settings from iPhone. Then here you can see chat, open chats. Then scroll down. Here you can see transfer chat history. Open this. Transfer to Android. Allow this. Then continue this. Okay, in this way QR camera will be open. Then open WhatsApp on Android phone. Create account, enter your phone number, then verify this. After verify, you can see transfer chat history will be shown there. Just continue this. Scan QR code, then join this. Viewers, there may be try one or more time. Then try again, continue. QR code, scan QR code, then again join. So finally allow this. Then next, as you can see, chat transfer successfully. Yes, not for viewers. In this way you can transfer chat from iPhone to Android. Thanks for watching.